travel lifestyle music live streaming Yaya's sister.
If you're ready to build your rally bike, here are the step-by-step instructions to get you on your way. If you've never built a bike before, this may take you up to 60 minutes. If you're handy with tools, probably 40 to 50 minutes. If you're wrenched a little bit before, but never fully built a bike, expect about 30 to 40 minutes. And if you're an expert bike mechanic, you'll probably be riding in 10 minutes. The person in this video is not an expert and he assisted us to assemble the bike. Start by making sure you have everything out of the box, including the small parts. Take all the packing materials off the bike. Check the handler. Tighten the bolts and the nuts. Install the stem and handlebar. Slide the stem and handlebar into the frame of the bike. Make sure the cables aren't twisted. Secure front wheel. Make sure the bolts and nuts are tight. Install your pedals. Check the L for left and R for right pedal. Slide in seat post. Install your saddle by opening the quick release and slide the seat tube in. Check tightness by moving the saddle back and forth. Take all the packing materials off the bike. Install the training wheels. Make sure bolts and nuts are tight. Things to remember: before you hit the road, do a quick pre-ride check to make sure your bike is in working order. Do a bolt check on critical areas like stem and handlebars to make sure the bolts are all still tight. Don't over-tighten them, just check to make sure they aren't loose. Double check your quick releases or through axles. Then try to spin your handlebar side to side while holding the front wheel still. See if you can rotate your bar up and down too. Check both brakes, hold one brake lever at a time, and rock your bike back and forth. Then give the wheel a spin. There shouldn't be a rubbing of the brakes. On the sidewall of the tire, there is a suggested pressure rating.